Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today you see a bus in front of you, which is very rare on this channel, apart from few matchbox buses. I haven't got any bus. And this is a Massdi Toyota Coaster. It's from the year 2013. And it's a 1:64 scale. I've got one Massdi before, and I think their packaging is awesome. So are the casting. So normally I don't unbox it in front of the camera. I just take it out of the package, but let's do it because it's such a nice box. It opens up like this, and let me see if I can show you. You take this off, and the casting is in there. So it's nicely packaged, and it's too close to the screen. But let me take out the bus, and we'll show you all the details on it. Here's a quick look at this Toyota Coaster bus, and it definitely has some good details on it. We'll deep dive into it and see what else I can show you. So here is the 2013 Toyota Coaster in all its glory. I'm gonna I do start from the front, so let's do that. So in the front there are a lot of good details, as you can see. Headlamps, grille with Toyota badge, coaster on the number plate, fog lamp bezel, mirrors on the both driver and passenger side, and windshield wipers. A lot of good details there, if you see. And those are not painted details, those are extra pieces. The grille, the headlamp, those are extra add-on pieces, and that's why they look so much better compared to painted ones. Now let's go to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, again, a lot of good details continue. As you can see, you've got a nice paint on the side. You've got some running lamps at the bottom and on the side. Right here, fuel door just over the rear wheel, and the wheel again looks good. Rubber tire with those wheel setup. Well, this is something you will see on the actual vehicle. Driver door again has the sliding window. It doesn't open, but it's there. You can see on the windows, and the black trim around the windows too. Some vents right there in the end. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this seat setup is like 2 seats on one side and 1 on the other side, like you will see on a lot of smaller buses. So it's all there. You've got a ton of seats, not ton, I think a lot of seats. Now let's move to the back. Oh, I forgot to mention exhaust coming out from this side. Twin exhaust, and then there's this small toolbox, I guess. Coming to the back, again, good details there. You got tail lamp, coaster on number plate, the trim piece, Toyota badge, wiper, stop lamp, and a mirror. And usually these mirrors help them to back up the vehicle, bigger vehicle. You can see the ground right there, edges. And even the tail lamp is like a separate piece, acrylic piece, not a painted one, so it looks good. I like the details on this one till now. And if you can see from this angle, I don't know, let me see if I can focus. The mirror has a reflector in it, so it can pretend to be an actual mirror. Now, this is the side from where the passenger will enter. So you've got a door here for the passengers to enter. Again, similarly like the other side, you've got the running lamps. No toolbox on this side, same paint theme continues, same wheels. And here you can see, because it's on the driver's side, there's another glass piece here for the passenger. And if you can see on the interior is mostly beige, but the driver steering wheel and the AC vents and everything else is detailed there. Let me try and focus and see if I can show you. So if you see there are a lot of good details on the interior too. It's always nice to have those details in the interior, right? They make the casting look much better. Okay, so back to it. Roof. So it has got one sunroof there, and this looks more like a vent. I don't know, it might be for the AC, not sure. And this is how the base looks. It's a metal base. You've got some details there, as you can see, and they have used screws instead of rivets. And it's obviously double tire setup or dually setup in the back, single tires in the front. It also got the tread, which you see on those buses and trucks, and the exhaust is finished in silver crew. So yeah, there are a lot of good details on this casting, inside out. And this is my second Massdi, and I think I'm gonna get some more because they have nice details, right? I'm not sure how close it is to be actually 1:64 because I have no idea of Toyota coasters. I've never seen one, but as a bus, it looks really good. A lot of good details, and if you want to add a bus to your collection, I will say go for it. It's nice. There are multiple colors available online. I haven't seen this brand in store. I got this online. I got the other one from an online seller too. But again, they are doing vehicles with nice interior and exterior detail, which is always good to have. So yeah, if you can find one and if you like to have a bus in your collection, go for it. This is a good model and I think you're gonna like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.